Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the CapCut baby outlook effect to know how will your child look like in the future. So this feature is an AI feature that will predict your child in the future. So what you need to do is just add a photo of you into CapCut like this, and after that click on the photo, go to style, click on the AI photo category, just swipe. Okay, so under the AI photo you just need to select this baby outlook photo effect, so click on this. So this is an AI effect, so it might take a while for the effects to apply to your photo, so you can just wait until it's done. Okay, so this is the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.